Welcome to Aging Well Hacks. Today we're going to explore a popular skincare treatment that you've probably heard about, microneedling. It's been gaining a lot of attention for its ability to improve skin texture, reduce wrinkles, and help with acne scars. The best part? You can actually do it at home. In this video, I'll walk you through the benefits of microneedling and how you can safely incorporate it into your skincare routine without the need for a dermatologist or expensive spa visits. So what exactly is microneedling? Microneedling, also known as collagen induction therapy, involves using tiny needles to create microscopic punctures in your skin. This process might sound intimidating, but these small injuries actually encourage your skin to produce more collagen and elastin, which are key for maintaining youthful, smooth skin. While it may seem like an intense procedure, when done correctly, it's a relatively simple and highly effective treatment. Now, let's talk about why so many people swear by microneedling. Here are 5 amazing benefits. Benefit 1, it boosts collagen. As we age, our collagen production slows down, leading to sagging and fine lines. Microneedling stimulates collagen production, helping to firm and plump the skin. Benefit 2, it improves skin texture. If you struggle with rough patches, acne scars, or enlarged pores, microneedling can help smooth out your skin's surface, leaving it looking more even and refined. Benefit 3, it reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Microneedling can be an excellent solution for diminishing fine lines around the eyes, mouth, and forehead by promoting the skin's natural healing process. Benefit 4, it helps with hyperpigmentation. Sunspots or dark marks from any scarring can also benefit from microneedling, as it helps to even out skin tone. Benefit 5, it reduces acne scarring. If acne scars are something you're working on, microneedling can help improve their appearance over time, giving your skin a smoother look and feel. If you're considering incorporating microneedling into your skincare routine, here's how to do it safely and effectively. Step 1. Start by choosing the right tool. For at-home use, select a derma roller with needles between 0.25 mm and 0.5 mm in length. These sizes are suitable for stimulating collagen production without causing significant skin trauma. Step 2. Make sure your skin is clean. Begin with a thorough cleansing to remove makeup, dirt, and oils. Clean skin is essential to prevent introducing bacteria during the treatment. Step 3 is optional. If you have a low pain threshold, consider applying a numbing cream 20 minutes before treatment. It's not necessary, but it can enhance comfort. Step 4. Gently roll the derma roller over your skin in multiple directions, horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. Use light pressure and cover each area 4 to 6 times. Focus on areas like your forehead, cheeks, and jawline, but avoid areas with active acne or irritation. Don't roll over your eyes or lips either. Step 5. Post-treatment care. After treatment, apply a soothing serum or moisturizer to support skin healing. Expect mild redness, similar to a light sunburn, which should subside within a few hours. Avoid harsh skincare products for the next 24 hours. Step 6. For shorter needle lengths, 0.25 mm to 0.5 mm. It's generally recommended to perform microneedling once every 2 to 3 weeks. This allows the skin adequate time to heal and regenerate between sessions. Some sources suggest that with shorter needles, treatments can be done up to once a week, but this should be approached with caution and based on individual skin tolerance. Before proceeding, consider the following safety tips. Tip 1. Disinfect your tools. Always clean your derma roller before and after each use to prevent bacterial growth and ensure the treatment is hygienic. Tip 2. Start slowly. Begin with longer intervals between treatments and gradually increase frequency as your skin adapts. Tip 3. Consult a professional. If you have sensitive skin, active acne, or other skin conditions, consult with a dermatologist before starting microneedling to make sure it's right for you. Microneedling can be an effective addition to your skincare routine, promoting collagen production and improving skin texture. However, it's crucial to approach it with care and patience. Consistency, not frequency, is key to achieving the best results. And that's a wrap on microneedling. If you're interested in trying it at home, just remember to be gentle, take your time, and follow the steps carefully. If you've already given it a go, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Aging Well Hacks for more skincare and wellness tips.